and make this into our dream workshop.
And this should be the biggest improvement yet.
Welcome back to KM Builds. In today's episode, we're going to be transforming our workshop from this absolute mess you can see behind me into our dream workshop. So we're just going to run through the areas quickly of what we're going to transform and make this into our dream workshop.
So there's kind of 4 key areas we're going to be looking at in the unit today. This is one of them. It used to be sort of a workbench / work area, but as you can see, it's just become such a mess. There is things everywhere, so we need to sort that out. Recently, we extended, there was a bit of a workbench here, so we've extended that and we have some awesome new tools ready to go on here to make that a bit of a nice work area as well. So make sure to stay tuned to see them. And the other 2 areas are over this side. So firstly, this ramp is more of a pain than is a use. We've only used it a handful of times. It's slowed down a bit over the time now, so we've just decided to get rid of it. It's too much room taken up in the unit. It's a bit awkward to work around, so it's going. The other area that we got then is around this racking. So this has just become a bit of a storage area. It wasn't intended. The truck was tucked under here nicely at one point, but you always end up filling space that you manage to find. So we need to sort all of this out too. First thing up, I think is easiest to get this hump of rubbish out of the way. So let's get the ramp dismantled and get out here.
So we've managed to get the ramp out. It wasn't too bad considering it's been in for a couple of years. Bit of pry bar gunning and we managed to get it out.
Next, we're going to move on to this section. So this is kind of going to be a machinery workstation. We have a few bits of tools and machinery to go onto here. So what we got to do is tidy all of this area up, get all the machinery and tools onto the bench, and we can move on to the next part.
So we have managed to finish our machinery area. Maybe novice to most of you, but it is a massive improvement from what we had before. For the keen eye viewers, shot blast cabinet has been put in place, so we will have an episode soon on that, on a bit of a DIY setup. And again, bit of a teaser, we've picked up some Acti wheels, so go back, check out that series as we're progressing through the build. Really happy with what we've done so far, and if you haven't already, we're going to move on to putting in the workbench now, just again to create more room. It is quite hard work to move things around in the unit, but let's get cracking with that.
So section 2 of 3 now finished. The third section is probably the biggest improvement we're going to make, so make sure you stay tuned to see that. For this section, we have a brand new bench which we made along with our custom banner. Picked that up super cheap off AliExpress, so if you want to see where we got that, let us know. We'll drop a link in the comments. We've also added a nice sort of shadow board for all of the tools, welder, all of the materials are accessible now, and just generally a much better area to work in. But let's get section 3 sorted, and this should be the biggest improvement yet.
So next on the list is to get rid of this pallet racking. We've been using it just to store a load of Acti parts that we may have needed. We're sort of finding out what we do and don't need now with the build. If you haven't seen that, go check it out. It is on the channel. But the aim here is to get rid of all the stuff we don't need, get rid of the pallet racking, and really open up the area so we can crack on with these builds.
And this is the new sort of work area. As you can see, way more space for activities. All we got to do now, with a bit of YouTube magic, is get the truck into its new home. And just like that, the truck is in his new home now. We have much more space to work on it. But without further ado, let's show you how the unit's turned out.
So we've finished up the unit, really happy with how it's turned out. We've got all of our banners up on the wall. We've got the K-Truck in its final position. Drop in the comments below, would you have done anything different? Is there better use of space? Maybe we're missing a bit of machinery or equipment that we'll need for the build. Let us know what you think in the comments, but that will be everything for today. So please do subscribe to the channel and we'll catch you in the next one.